The hottest day of the year so far yesterday. Temperatures reached 34.7 in London. It's going to be a good 10 degrees cooler here today. And for most of us, it's a mixture of bright spells, some sunny intervals, but also some heavy showers. I'll have all the details coming up.
Banknote. Morning, Carol.
I'd like Carol to give me a banknote.
Yeah.
Dream on, John. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. If you're waking up this morning in the south, Manchester 14 and Edinburgh 12. But if you're in Northern Ireland or the Highlands, it is that bit cooler. Now, what's been happening is this weather front has been taking its showers. Some of them have been heavy and thundery across the country through the course of the night. There's a lot of them still in the north and the east. And behind that weather front, which is a cold front, we're pulling in this fresher air, and it will eventually wipe away all the mugginess we've had in the southeast. But you can see the scattering of showers that we currently have. And through the day, some of those in the east could not only be heavy, but they could also be thundery. A ridge of high pressure, though, later starts to build in from the west. That will settle things down, bar a few showers across the north of Wales and Northern Ireland. So it should dry up as we go through the afternoon. It's not going to be anywhere as hot as it was yesterday in the southeast. We're looking at a much more comfortable 25 degrees, but widely 14 to about 22 degrees. Now, if you're going to Wimbledon today, as we saw with John, there is some showers around this morning. We could see some at the start of play, but as we go into the afternoon, showers fade. And then for England and for Wales overnight, we hang on to the dry conditions, but we do have some wet weather coming in from the west and temperatures going down. So if you've been troubled sleeping in the last few nights in the southeast, again, it will be more comfortable. Tomorrow for England and for Wales, a lot of dry weather and sunshine. But for Scotland, Northern Ireland and part of Northern England, we're into sunshine and blustery showers. And again, temperatures round about at best 25 degrees. Right, you've got showers moving through, John. Good morning, everybody. And the other thing, if you're in the south, is that you'll notice it's going to feel much fresher than it did yesterday. Yesterday was the hottest day of the year so far, but it doesn't look like we're done with the heat just yet, because in another couple of weeks, could be another heat wave. That's one to watch. Today, though, we've got some heavy downpours around. You can see where we've got them at the moment in some eastern and southeastern areas. Some of those across eastern Scotland as we go through the morning will be heavy and thundery, but the west a bit drier with some sunshine. Sunshine and showers for Northern Ireland, sunshine and showers for Wales and the southwest, but all down the east coast we are looking at those showers. We've seen some at Wimbledon already this morning, the heaviest ones moving through. Again, we might just see the odd one at the start of play at Wimbledon today, but a ridge of high pressure is building in, so that will settle things down and it will dry up from the west through the afternoon. Now, temperatures 14 to 18 quite widely in the north, 18 to 25 quite widely as we come further south. Through this evening and overnight, we start off with some sunshine, many of the showers fading. But as we go through the night, it will stay dry for England and for Wales. But for Northern Ireland and Scotland, thicker clouds coming in, and that's going to introduce some showers. Now, temperatures at the moment in London are still quite high, but tomorrow, this time of day, it will feel again much cooler, more comfortable for sleeping in. Tomorrow for England and for Wales, a lot of dry weather, a lot of sunshine. Northern Ireland and Scotland sees the showers, the blustery showers, pushing steadily eastwards, a few of those clipping Northern England at times. Temperatures 13 to 24 degrees. Sal and John.
Carol,